My mom got it for free. Do you want to know how?
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So everything that you see here I actually got for free, and I'm $5.24 ahead. Now, I had one little happy accident happen in order to get this moneymaker, but I am going to show you everything so that you can get a really good deal too, even if it's not completely free. So let's check out this Kroger haul. Let's go individually through each deal. So the first deal I want to talk about is this Chic Extreme Pivot Ball razor. It is a 3-count disposable razor. So when I went to Kroger today, they were on sale for $4.82, regularly priced just $6.99. Now, I am not sure if this is a sale price everywhere. So if you are getting that same sale price, please let me know in the comments. But I don't know if it was a closeout price or if it was just a sale price, but it said 31% off and it was $4.82. I had a 4-off-1 digital coupon. So that came off at checkout, making it just 82 cents out of pocket. But then it gets better because Ibotta has a rebate for $2 back on one, making the final cost completely free and a $1.18 moneymaker. My only regret is there's also a 4-back from coupons.com that I didn't think about. I wish I would have grabbed 2 of these so I could have made $2.18, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with this deal. So the next deal I have is this Dove body wash. It's called Body Love, and I happen to get the moisturizer boost. There are a bunch of different types you can get, but it's body wash by Dove. It's a fairly new product. So these are regularly priced $7.99. They are a part of this beauty event and self-care event that's going on. When you spend $15, you're going to get $5 off instantly at checkout. So really cool deal. I was planning on going and getting these regardless. I thought I was going to be paying like $2.49 each after I bought a rebate. But I happened to notice that there was a lady that was putting coupons on body washes, not these body washes, but just the regular Dove body wash. And so I ran off and let her finish doing what she was doing. And then I came back to the aisle, and sure enough, the body washes all had these $3 off one hanging tags, and the picture was this specific product. Okay, guys, I have a deal for you here. This Dove body wash booster here, whatever it's called, $7.99. It's part of the spend. 15. We also have an Ibotta rebate for it, so it's about $2.49 with the Ibotta rebate each. However, I just walked in the aisle and this lady was putting all of these coupons here on these Dove for that product. All right, it's $3 off of each. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these and use them with this, and plus get 5 off of 15. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a moneymaker. So I grabbed 2 of the hanging tags and used them. So my deal was, like I said, total of $15.98. $5 comes off instantly when you spend $15. I used 2 of the 3-off-1 hang tags, and so I paid out of pocket $4.98, and then I submitted to Ibotta for 3 back on 1. It's limited 2 times, so you can get $6 back total, making both of these body washes completely free and a $1.02 moneymaker. This is a really, really awesome deal. Now I have one more deal here for you. This is definitely not the best deal, but like I said, I'm trying to work towards a bonus on Ibotta. So these Edge shave gels are part of the Ibotta rebates. These are regularly priced $3.29. They are on sale for $2.99. Out of pocket, that's what you would pay, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, making it $1.99. They are also part of the beauty and self-care event that is going on, so you can put them towards getting that extra $5 off. All right, I want to talk about the Crest toothpaste here for just a second. So there's 2 different types of toothpaste that I purchased because I wanted to get multiple Ibotta rebates. So Crest Densify is one of the toothpaste, as well as the Crest 3D white. Now, there are digital coupons for these. You want to make sure you load them. There are 3 different digitals. I'll pop them up here on the screen for you to look at. Now, all 3 apply to any of these toothpastes, okay? Just because one does say gum or has a different picture on it, it actually does show these as participating products, and you can use all 3 of them on any of these toothpastes. Now, the individual deal. So if you just grabbed one toothpaste, they are regularly priced $7.49, on sale for $6.99. You can use one of the 3-off-1 digital coupons. You'd pay out of pocket $3.99, then submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It is a limit of 3 times, making these just $1.99. Okay, let's talk about this as a whole. So we know we can just do this deal right here, and this is going to take us to a really good deal and a moneymaker. And we know we can do this deal separately and have a really good deal and a moneymaker. However, when you put together the crust and the edge and everything, this is going to get an amazing deal for all of this. So everything here totals to be $44.76. Now, I did use $19 in coupons. 13 of that is digital. So digital coupons can lower the price to where it will not reflect the actual cost of the product. At least at Kroger, that is the way it works. So even though I was only at $44.76, and if I maybe added something for $1 or 31 or 30 cents or something like that, I could have got another $5 off. It would not have worked because I actually did have another self-care item in there that I'm just not putting in this deal, but it was in the transaction and I only got $10 off instantly, even with that. And it's because those digital coupons did knock down the actual price or what it's considering. So $13 came off, which left you a little bit above $30, which is why $10 comes off instantly. But $19 in coupons total. We had digitals for the crust, digital for the Schick. That's going to get you to $13, plus 2 hanging tags is $6 more. So $9 there. Plus the $10 off instantly. That takes us down to $15.76 total. Then submit to Ibotta. All of these have a rebate. So 2 for each of the toothpaste, $2 for the Schick, $1 for the Edge, and $3 each for the Dove. That's $15 in Ibotta rebates, which means that the final total is just 76 cents for everything you see here, or about 11 cents each. This is awesome. So I want to give you a quick update about Ibotta. So I actually am going to make money on all of this. Now, when I submitted my Ibotta, I only submitted for 2 of these and 1 of these. However, when it came back today, it actually came back as 3 and 3. So I got $6 back for this and $6 back for this, meaning this is going to be a huge, huge moneymaker. In fact, I haven't even managed to think through the money. So I guess it's extra $6. So it's going to be a $5 plus moneymaker. I'll throw up the number right here. When it's all said and done. But of course, I cannot promise that will happen to you when you submit your Ibotta receipts. I did not do it on purpose. It's just what they gave me back. And that sometimes happens. It's weird little glitches that happen on a pretty regular basis with Ibotta. If you don't have Ibotta, you definitely want to get Ibotta, because now everything went from 76 cents to completely free and a $5 moneymaker. I am like over the moon excited about all of this. So if you like free things and you want to see more Kroger deals, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and give it a great big thumbs up. Guys, have a good week. See ya!